Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Kif's Crypto. Now, with Bitcoin hitting $100,000, we're seeing a lot of new people coming into the space. So, if you're wondering which cryptocurrency exchange is best for you in 2024, today we're going to break down the top 5 exchanges. Now, these are in no particular order. This is just 5 exchanges with some standout features that accommodate the new people into the space and the more experienced trader. We're going to look at the pros and cons also. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video should help you choose the right exchange for you. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. Now, first on the list is Binance. Now, Binance is the global leader when it comes to crypto trading volume. It was formed in 2017. It is known for its vast range of coins, advanced trading tools, and ecosystem integration. Binance remains one of the top choices simply because of the volume levels. It also has a launch pad, and if you're one of these people that is chasing the moonshots, watch out for coins that get listed on Binance, because once they get listed on there, they usually go to the stratosphere. Now, the pros and cons with Binance are as follows. Pros: access to 350 plus cryptocurrencies. They've got low trading fees. In fact, they go as low as 0.1%. They have a comprehensive ecosystem. They've got staking, futures, and NFTs. And Binance is very well known in the space for its robust security features. Now, some of the cons with Binance: regulatory issues in some regions, including restrictions in the United States. It can be a little bit overwhelming and comes across as complex for beginner users. But even with all that, Binance is still a powerhouse. But always check your regional availability and regulations before signing up. Now, next up is Coinbase. Coinbase is the go-to platform for beginners. It's got a clean interface, it's very easy to use, and it's ideal for anyone new to crypto. And they do also have a debit card attached to the account. Now, debit cards mean you can spend your crypto directly without moving it out to a different platform or system. It is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange, so with that comes lots of regulation. Now, the pros are it is user-friendly and it has a very nice mobile app. Its USD balances are FDIC insured for US users. You can earn crypto rewards through learning programs, very important if you're just coming into cryptocurrencies. The cons with this are high fees compared to the rest of them. Coinbase is known to have higher fees than most other cryptocurrency exchanges. And it has limited advanced trading features unless you use Coinbase Pro. But in saying all that, if you're just starting out, Coinbase is going to be your best friend. But unfortunately for seasoned traders, you're going to find those fees a little bit too steep. Now, next on the list is BTCC. Now, this is probably going to surprise some people, but I've been using this for about 2 months now, and honestly, I find it to be an excellent exchange. It is one of the oldest crypto exchanges with a reputation for stability and trustworthiness. It's an excellent choice for traders focused on futures and long-term reliability. They offer leverage here up to 500x. Now, on sign up, they do have tons of rewards up to $10,000 in USDT. And they have a feature here that you don't see in all the big exchanges: copy trading, meaning you can copy other users' trades. You just have to find the right person to copy. So the pros and cons here with BTCC are: right, pros, it is established exchange. It has been around and operational since 2011, making it one of the oldest and most trustworthy exchanges in the space. It is highly focused on derivatives, strong offerings in futures trading with competitive fees and leverage options. It's got a very user-friendly interface both for beginner and advanced traders, easy to navigate. Global availability, one of the key elements here with BTCC. It serves users worldwide with multi-language support. Now, the cons: limited spot trading options. BTCC is primarily focused on derivatives, which might not suit all users, particularly newer people in the space. It has fewer listed cryptocurrencies. It offers fewer tokens compared to competitors like Binance or KuCoin. But overall, BTCC is perfect for those seeking a reliable and straightforward platform. But spot market enthusiasts might find the options a little bit limited. Now, next up on the list is AscendEX, a platform gaining traction for its wide range of financial services and support for innovative projects. Known for combining advanced trading bots with passive income opportunities, it is a great option for crypto enthusiasts. They do offer copy trading and they do offer staking and have a wide range of meme coins. It was formerly known as Bitmart and was launched in 2018 by a bunch of Wall Street traders. Now the pros and cons. Extensive staking options. Earn passive income on a variety of tokens with competitive APYs. It has advanced trading features, supports margin trading and futures for experienced users, and it gives easy access to projects. It offers unique opportunities through its launchpad. Intuitive platform, it is easy to navigate, suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The cons, limited fiat deposits. Direct fiat to crypto trading may not be as seamless as the other exchanges, and it has smaller trading volumes, lower liquidity compared to platforms like Coinbase or Binance. But overall, AscendEX is an excellent choice for traders looking to diversify with staking and explore innovative crypto projects. However, users focused on high liquidity might need to explore other platforms. Now, finally, we have KuCoin. Now, KuCoin was built to facilitate the global free flow of digital value. It claims to have an emphasis on intuitive design, simple registration process with a high level of security. It is often referred to as the People's Exchange, and it offers a huge range of altcoins. The pros with this, it has over 700 different types of cryptocurrencies listed. It incorporates features like trading bots and peer-to-peer lending. Got to be careful with that sometimes. Low fees and frequent reward campaigns. The cons are it has got some transparency issues with regards to the company location, and there has been occasional reports of slow withdrawals during high network activity. But overall, for altcoin hunters, KuCoin is unbeatable. Just ensure you're comfortable with its operational transparency and sometimes those slow withdrawal times. So there you have it, guys. That is the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, I probably could have made a top 10, to be honest. I have left out quite a few good ones that I actually use also. MEXC probably being the main one. But yeah, I may do a part 2 of this in the new year. But overall, these 5 exchanges are top notch. Whether you're prioritizing low fees, security, or altcoin availability, there's an exchange here for every trader. You just got to really prioritize what you're looking for. For me, I like to be able to trade altcoins, and a debit card attached to the account is a must for me. Don't forget to also check out the regulatory issues in your region. Some of these exchanges don't work depending on where you live. So which one of these is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more crypto insights. And just a final mention, if you want to check out any of these cryptocurrency exchanges, please use the referral links that I have posted in the description. A link to all the exchanges mentioned in today's video is down there. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.